Hello and welcome to restaurant Gastromé. I'm William and head chef of the restaurant. Today I've got this halibut which I want to prepare for you in a signature dish. After salting the fish in 24 hours, I put it in a vacuum bag, put sunflower oil, so it covers the fish, and I closed the bag and sous vide it in 48 degrees in only 6 to 8 minutes, and then I put it in the cooler and let it rest and go cold before I portion it. And this is the soup for my halibut, which I made of stock from different vegetables, and then the watercress, and then I put avocado in to thicken it afterwards. So it's got to be served cold with the halibut. After cooling down, I portion the halibut, place it on a plate. I've rolled daikon.
Mission lavede en gang, hvor jeg havde sådan en kæmpe brød her.
Ja.
Så gør det bare sådan.
Ja, men det er lidt en anden måde, han gør det på. Han kan gøre det gør den ikke i flere kruder.
I've got the lemon confit or marmalade, which is with the zest as well. And I've got Jerusalem artichoke puree. And also the artichokes in iced water. And I've got some sour cream. I've got oil made with watercress. Fresh watercress on top. And the soup goes on the side. This is our confit of halibut with Jerusalem artichokes, lemon marmalade, and daikon with the soured cream, and with the soup of watercress and avocado to go with it. Hope you enjoy, and see you soon.